Hello, friends, and welcome to Un Café Bilingual, please. Today we are going to have our story time with Let's Go to Eat. Paco, I'm hungry. Yes, me too. Look, there's a rabbit. Yes, it's so cute. Look, there's a monkey. Yes, it likes to climb trees. Paco, let's go to eat. Yes, I'm hungry too. Look, there's a zebra. Yes, it has nice stripes. Look, there's a deer. Yes, it's a fawn. Paco, I'm so hungry. Please, let's go to eat something. Yes, let's go. 2 hours later. I love this salad. Yummy, yummy. It's a great restaurant for two veggies like us. And this is the end of our story. And remember to eat your vegetables and to subscribe to our channel on Café Bilingual, please.